For those of you in doubt, or those of you seeking proof, the people who believe can't make you believe if you really don't want to. Each person's relationship with the higher being, or no relation, is within each person's fiber of existence. People are legally free to think as they want and do, as long as it doesn't physically harm anyone. It seems as though the mind is fair game. So much is taken in with what we see or what we hear, regardless of the source. Shouldn't we have the substance of heart and forethought in our mental capacities to reinforce all the positive we can? As a man thinketh, so is he. And isn't it better to live as there is a God and find out that there isn't, than to live like there isn't a God and to find out that there is? That's not mine, but I thought that saying was excellent.
Amen.